How could I have been so careless to let this happen? I, Adugo, pregnant. Oh! What am I supposed to do? Should I tell Amanze? How will he feel? Oh! My parents! Oh! They will see me as total disappointment. Oh, I wish I could turn back the hand of time. But I couldn't have resisted him. How could I have resisted Amanze? Oh. There is always a way out. Sure, there is always a way out.
My daughter, due to condition in which you came into my house, I haven't been opportuned to ask you who you are. Onyekebu, please tell me everything about yourself. Oh?
Mama, my name is Adago. I'm from a neighboring village, Nteje. I came to this village because of the pregnancy. I knew I was going to bring shame to my parents and to my friends. Since I couldn't stand it, I decided to run away. Mama, please, don't send me away. I don't have anywhere to go.
Stop crying.
I don't have anyone to stay with.
Stop crying.
Mama, please take care of my baby.
Stop crying. I will take care of you and the baby. Huh? Just take me as your mother. Relax, feel at home. Oh?
Mama, please take care of my baby.
Don't worry, I'll take care of the baby. Even you. I'll take care of you. Take me as your mother. Relax, feel at home.
Adugom.
Mama. I am worried, you. This is 2 days now. We have not seen or heard from Adugo. Does it mean that she has abandoned this child?
Mama, I don't even know what to say. But what are we going to do now?
Hello, ma. How are you?
I'm fine. Good morning, ma.
I am mother.
She's fine.
Mama! Hello, my daughter. Thank God you are back. I'm becoming worried.
Mama, you don't have to be worried. I can take care of myself.
That's what you say always. But don't forget that you're a woman.
Mama, your daughter is a strong girl. I can withstand any evil that comes my way. Mama, I'm hungry. I want to eat.
I made some food. But you have to drink water to clear your stomach for easy passage.
Mama, I know. White yam and vegetables.
I've told you several times that stomach doesn't say what it eats.
Mama, I've heard you. Let's go inside. I'm hungry.
Whoa. That.
You are welcome home, son.
Thank you, man. Brother. Welcome home. I had to the throne. You are welcome home. Thank you. You're welcome, Prince. My prince, you're welcome.
Oh, Elders, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Wow. That's so nice to be home. Huh?
Well,
Mom.
we're happy to have you back.
Oh.
I have really missed you.
I can see that. But don't worry. Ugonna is back to give you double the trouble.
I'm ready.
I know your legs are tired from a very long trip. So I don't want to partake in keeping you waiting in your kingdom. So shall we?
Okay,
It's so nice to eat together again as one family. I know you must have a good time out there.
Oh, Dad. That's not my first time sojourning in the Caribbeans. Although I try to make new contact here and there, so how to delve into the tourism sector.
Good idea. Your brother is learning quite fast.
Of course, he should. He learned from the master. Now tell me, did you break through?
Of course. As of now, we are at the final stage. Yeah.
Great.
And that reminds me. Ezina, why did you change your mind in joining me?
Crazy and funny at the same time. Dad needs his right-hand man by his side all the time.
Yes, that is correct. To cut the long story short, I am always here if you need any type of support.
Oh. Thank you very much, Dad. That will come in very handy. I can't say but notice some changes here and there. As if this palace is wearing a new look.
All thanks to your dad.
You observed very well. We decided to change a few things in the palace because you never know when you will be entertaining special guests.
Oh, you're very right, Dad.
Your plates are almost empty. This food was specially prepared for both of you. So, who needs more food? Oh, you have to eat too.
Please don't hurt me, please.
Uloma, what is it? Ogini?
Mama, I just had a nightmare.
Uloma, this your constant nightmare is giving me a great concern. Ogini unka?
Why do I keep having these frightening dreams?
Come inside, come inside. It's late. Come inside.
All right, Chief Okute. I have gone through the documents. I think what is left is for us to agree to the terms and conditions of the contract.
I believe we can jointly execute this deal. You see, the airport expansion project is worth billions of naira. We will see to its completion.
I know. I think I will leave that up to my son. He has always ensured that anything that concerns bilateral agreements are well taken care of. He's a professional.
Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome, sir.
Chief, I appreciate the fact that you believed in us, and I want to assure you that we will pull this deal successfully. Oh, thank you, my prince. I will take this to our legal representatives for them to look into the terms and conditions, after which I will get back to you as soon as possible.
All right.
Your Majesty, I'm elated. After listening to your son here, I strongly believe I am in safe hands.
Of course, yes, my good friend. You are indeed in safe hands.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
How many times have I drummed it to your ears? To always remind me each time we need to replace foodstuffs. Huh? What if I happen to receive an emergency visitor from an important guest? Huh?
Apologies, Your Majesty.
Now go to the storeroom. Make a list of all the things that needs to be replaced.
Yes,
Leave! A son after his mother's heart.
Mom.
I was thinking you have gone out, but was told you were still up. What were you still doing?
Well, Mom, you of all people should know. Because of time difference, I still feel like I'm still back there. So I will need to readjust.
Forgive me, my son. You have to eat something now. The Royal Kitchen has prepared different dishes of which you have to choose from.
Wow.
You may have to dine with me.
Wow. Well, I'll be looking forward to that. But for now, I'll have to have a word with Ezinaya.
Okay, go ahead and do that. Don't keep me waiting.
I'll be with you soon.
This is my prince.
Hey, bro. Where are you going to?
Dad sent me on an errand.
Okay, what about our last discussion? You promised to get back to me before 12. Right now it's past 12.
I will attend to that when I come back. I'm in a hurry for now.
Okay.
Mama, I'm coming.
What are you doing? I've told you several times to find dried firewood whenever you want to make fire. Mama, I tried. I don't know why the firewood is not burning. It was dried before.
Find something else. Don't blind yourself. Don't blind yourself. Uloma, run to Mankechi's house. Tell her to leave from the parish.
Mama, I have something on the fire.
Don't worry, go. I'll take care of it. Uloma, go through the pathway behind the house. It's closer.
Okay, Mama.
Oh?
Okay.
Are you okay? Why were you walking absent-minded? What's eating you up? Are you okay?
I'm sorry, my prince. I'm sorry.
It's alright. What's your name and where are you going to?
My name is Uloma. I'm sorry, my prince. I have to go. My mother sent me on an errand.
My prince, should we go after her? Sorry, my prince. Should I go after her?
Do you know her?
No, my prince, I haven't met her before.
Let's go.
You did well, son. I suggest you apply Plan B now.
Won't that backfire against us?
Learn this from me, son. It is impossible to see what you do not believe, because we all are products of our belief. Go and apply the formula and ask questions later.
All right, Father.
Son, always be as vigilant as an eagle.
And as wise as a serpent. Who was that maiden? There is something about that maiden. How do I find her? Igwe, what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this?
Chief Okuta, God see the man that you exhibit some severity in your disposition because you are seated before King Robert, Lieutenant one of Isuanama Kingdom. Nonsense. Arrant nonsense. You take me for a ride. You take me for a fool, eh? We signed a bilateral agreement only for our son to go behind and collect the money for the contract. Igwe, I trusted you. I trusted you. Listen, don't forget you are seated before King Robert. You can enter one of his one. No one talks trash before. Where is my money? Go to page 5. Who signed that? I signed it. And so? You signed that. That simply means you went through those documents before signing. So stop barking like an untamed dog and get lost. No! This cannot be. I can't take it. Both of you steal me out of my money, eh? You steal me out and you want me to accept it. How dare you raise your voice in our palace? God! You will give me that money. God! I will take it. I am saying it, I will take it. Ah! What is all this? Take this diabetic old fool out of my face. What do you mean by that? I said, what do you mean by that? No one will see the lockout. Not one. But you will see that money. Always as vigilant as an eagle.
And as wise as a serpent.
Mama, mama, nene, oh yo yo, ne. Ne mama, 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 nene, oh yo yo, ne, ne mama. This is a beautiful song from a beautiful voice. Your voice is pure gift of nature, Mama. I can go on and it will never stop. I pray it never stops. One day, you will sing this beautiful song for your husband, and it will make him to give you the whole world. Mama, will that ever happen? Hey, my daughter, just believe. All your dreams will come true. Amen. My daughter, I love this, your voice. I thank God, I thank God.
Wow. Now this is the funniest story I've heard in a long time. So tell me, who's the guy?
Who cares? The moment he was thrown out, he rushed into his jalopy and took off.
Oh my God, very fun indeed. Well, I prefer doing my shopping unannounced. You know, just like the undercover detective. Yeah.
Coded man.
Lest I forget, Mom was looking for you. I guess you never told her where you were going to.
I'm not a baby. Mom shouldn't be worried about my whereabouts.
Well, she's still your mother.
Of course. Manaduma.
Oh God. You will not kill me. I swear to God. What's going on, Jalo?
Why are all of you standing here like statues? Or have you all suddenly lost your tongues? You were fighting in my kitchen. I want to know why.
Yes, sir, Your Majesty.
I don't want to hear that story. Tell me why you were fighting in my kitchen.
Your Majesty, she took the food meant for me even though she had already eaten.
Ezioku, couldn't you have prepared another food? Or don't we have foodstuffs anymore in the palace? Huh?
Apologies, Your Majesty. Apologies, Your Majesty.
Let this be the last time I'll be listening to apologies from any of you. Leave my presence.
We meet again.
Greetings, my prince. I knew you were the one coming.
Greetings. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. You left in a hurry the other day.
I'm sorry about that.
It's okay. So where are you headed?
I'm going to see a friend. She lives close by.
Can I drop you?
Please. Okay.
Greetings, my prince.
Where is everybody?
Your father and mother left early this morning.
And my brother?
He left very early and I've not seen him since then.
Very well. Then go back to your duties. And have the cook set up my lunch.
Right away, Your Majesty.
doesn't know Ezenaya? He is his father's right hand. And he's always with his father.
He is the heir to the throne of Isualoma. But that's not what I'm talking about.
Then what are you talking about? He gave you a lift to my house.
See, I feel I'm not fit to go out with him. He is a prince. I'm just a mere commoner.
Oh no. Oh no. Are you trying to say you don't like me? Wait, what am I even saying? You're still a virgin.
Now you understand. See, all these men, all they want is get in between your legs and disappear. I can't stand that.
Oh no. See, I will advise you get to know him. Get to know him. Pico, let's go. The rain is getting heavier.
You're not beautiful here.
That was when Ojuko, your elder sister, really got.
Hey, I've been searching for this wrapper. Oh, Mama, do you know where I kept it?
Mama, I gave it to Chinwe to make dress for me. I never knew you would still make use of it.
Hey, oh, Mama, you should have asked me. You should have asked me. Hey,
Mama, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Mama, who is this man?
That's Omekitolo.
What kind of name is that?
It's somebody's name. It's somebody's name.
Omekitolo.
It's somebody's name.
This cap is fine.
Yeah. Okay, Madam Makawai. Honaya. Okay, Madam Makawai.
I am proud of you, my son. Your appointment has indeed elevated our family around the surrounding kingdom.
Exactly, Mom. All thanks to Dad. It's because of his position as a first-class king in this state. You know? All the same, you still have to await his consent.
But notwithstanding, he has no option than to allow you sign your aspirations. You know, having one of us on the board of cosmic parastatals is a welcome development, my son.
I know, Mom. You know, I'm so very happy to have gotten the letter.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Once again, congratulations.
Thank you very much, Mom. Thank you very much. By the way, where is Ezenaya? I've been looking forward to sharing this beautiful news with him.
Why don't you call him on his mobile and find out?
Oh, I'll do just that.
It's okay.
I have to run now, Mom.
All right.
Politics movement.
Flog him. This is my friend. I hate repeating myself. Okay. Let me show you how to flog. The difference between a prince and a commoner is like Dubai and Daba. When you say a prince, show respect. Show respect.
Let's go. Next time you learn how to respect your friends.
That is someone who. What is the meaning of this? How could you be this daft?
But you asked me to sign this.
You allowed Chief Bossa to use your little brain. You agreed on 15% of the profit and living with the lagates. Have you gone crazy, son? Oh, son. You disappoint me. Why are you losing focus?
I'm sorry, Dad. I can fix this.
It is too late. The money has been transferred already. And Chief Bossa left the country last night.
What? Are you sure about this?
I'm certain, thanks to your recklessness.
Is everything alright?
Mama. Mama. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine.
Mama, you're not ready yet.
I'm trying to help Mama with the vegetables. So when we come back, we'll have something to eat.
Mama, I cooked. In fact, I cooked your favorite. Jollof rice. Come now, let's go. We are getting late. When we come back, we'll go to my house and eat. Bia, Mama. You want Mama to come to your house and eat while I remain hungry? I'll be cool. Sorry. Let me help her. So that we can finish up.
Siki unazima. Azigi unazima. Welcome, League of Extraordinary Gentlemen, the favored of Azigi.
God of wealth and power. Azigi salutes you for your commitments and dedication to our cause. Your Majesty, do you wish to make a statement? The great Karuda, worthy servant of Azigi, God of wealth and power. It was only like yesterday when my own father presented me to Azigi. Today, I present my own, the heir to the throne, the first seed of my loins. Azigi Unazima! Azigi Unazima! Worthy King, your family has been very dear to Azigi, and thus have promised to establish forever the tree of wealth in your generation. Now, where is the call to be presented? Now drink from the pot of Azigi. By sharing in this fountain, you have become one of us, a member of this brotherhood. Nothing can stop you. The doors are open for you. The world is under your feet. Why have you been avoiding me? Is it a crime to love? I love you from the deepest part of my heart, and I expect you to reciprocate.
You have said that countless times. But I know what all men want from me. To get in between my legs and disappear. I'm not willing to sacrifice my virginity. I'm sorry. You were not supposed to hear that.
It's okay. Your secret is safe in my hands. I am a man with difference. Give me the chance to prove how much I love you. Can I take you out later?
What?
I want to take you out and to feel like a queen that you are. I will come back in the evening.
around me. Something so strange is bothering my heart. Let the wind blow away my fears.
Is that so? Now you be cool. Oh, Mama, if you ask me, I think you should give this man a chance.
Give him a chance. The next king of Isu Aloma. What am I supposed to do with him?
What sort of silly question is that? Is he not a man? Prince or no prince, just go ahead and date him.
I don't know. Stop looking at me like that as if I'm about to make the worst mistake.
Yes, it seems so to me. Because I have never seen any young girl who will be fed honey and instead prefer bitter cola. Wait a minute. Are you afraid that he will make demands towards you?
And some other things.
Like?
See, there's this feeling I have whenever I'm around him.
Feeling? Hey! Nemo, Papa love. It's not feeling.
Not feeling. I've never experienced that before. See, the feeling is...
These feelings are not new. See, every young girl felt him on her first date. What am I even saying? We all felt the same way.
You think so?
I know so.
Feel strange around me.
Come.
Something so strange is bothering my heart.
I was supposed to be for your father, His Majesty.
I am here to represent my father. Where is the briefcase?
We agreed there will be no third party in this deal. We had an arrangement and he had just bleached it.
Like I said before, I am here to represent my father. Where is the briefcase?
He should have told me he was sending his lab dog instead of bringing me out here to waste my time. We're done here. Tell your father when he's ready, he's point the dial and I will pick it up.
Go down.
Go over the door. Close the door. Open the door.
Where is the briefcase? Where is the briefcase? Open it. Move. Run. Take down. Dad, I'm back.
How did it go?
You know I will always deliver, even in a dream.
I always count on you, son. Right from the first day you set your eyes on the world, I said to myself that this is my true heir. The strength of my loins.
Thanks, Dad.
Oh. Did you see what is in the briefcase?
No, I didn't.
Open it.
It has lock combination.
Open it yourself. Gentle, son.
I can't, unless you want me to get something and break it.
Try giving numbers.
Dad, is everything alright?
Why do you ask questions like a child? You have eyes, don't you? Can't you see we are doing just fine?
Uh-oh. Well, maybe I'll just come back.
As we were saying before the ponytail dude interrupted.
Mama, don't tell me you are having another bad dream this hot afternoon.
Mama, these dreams, they are very scary. I wish it's something I can explain.
These dreams may be symptoms of malaria. It will be okay. So, I don't know where I left my snack box. Go inside and look for it for me. Go.
I think I saw it by the edge of your bed. Let me go and get it for you.
Okay.
Azigi unazima. Azigi unazima. It is harvest time. Azigi wants to reap from his vineyard. You all know he has protected you and given you all your heart desires. Now it's time for you to return to Azigi as you have been given. Prince of Isualoma, Azigi refers to you the blood of a virgin one who is pure in heart. Wise one. No one. You must abide by his decree, else your life will be used in place. I ask all of you, what is our fate?
From the fountain of Azuki is bound to him forever, binding that is free and justice.
We are all bound by this.
Greetings, my prince.
Uloma. Greetings, Uloma. Come give Daddy a hug.
I'm sorry, my prince. I can't.
Alright. Shall we?
No, my prince. I'm going to the market to see my mother. She has been waiting for me.
Are you sick? What's the meaning of this? Must you come up with flimsy excuses each time I want to take you out? Listen, it's a privilege to stand before Prince Ezenaya. Are you not aware that I can change your life? I can even buy your mother. So stop.
I'm sorry, my prince. I really have to go. My mother is waiting for me.
Stop! No one walks out on Prince Ezenaya. Before you joke look at that, you dare not. Why are you dramatizing? You just got me angry. But thank your stars that I'm in a good mood. Are you not aware that I can change your life? I can even buy your mother.
Dad, no one sets eye on you these days.
Well, apologies, Dad. Although I've been very busy, yeah? But I try to see you. And then, you're busy with palace business. And sometimes in hush conversations with my brother.
Well, I'm here now. Free and well disposed for you to say whatever you wish.
Well, Dad, I just wanted to know what your schedule will be like.
Why do you ask? Son, if you have plans of rescheduling this time, I say no.
I don't mean it that way, Dad. It's just that I've been seeing someone, yeah? And I was planning on bringing her home to meet you and Mom.
Good. Finally, there is going to be a marriage feast in this palace.
Am I missing something good?
Mom, So tell me, who is this lucky person that is about to steal my little boy?
Dad, I'm no longer a little boy. I'm a big man now.
My king, what marriage discussion is going on without the queen mother present?
It's your son, Billionaire. He has come of age. And he has plans of bringing home a woman for us to meet.
Good news! I'm happy for you, son.
Thank you very much, ma.
That means we have to invite everybody. Your elder brother inclusive. We have to force him to follow your footsteps.
Oh, come on, mom. He has his own footsteps to follow.
Oh!
Well, I just want you both to give me a date to bring her home, you know, for formal introductions.
I told you that everything will happen good to you. You just have to believe.
And then you did. This man is so loving. In fact, no man has ever supported me like this for in my entire life. We went shopping. Whenever we enter into any shop, he spends like nothing else matters. See what he got for me.
You're entering into royalty now. But wait though. Let me ask you. Has he said something yet? I mean, has he asked you to marry him?
He has not made his intentions known.
Okay. Has he started making moves into the Heaven's Gate?
I don't understand. How do you mean?
Are you a kid? I mean, has he asked you to sleep with him? Hey, Mama, why are you shouting? Do you want to call out the whole village?
Chimo. See, even if he requests for it, I will never give it to him. This place is for my dear husband alone.
Okay, Chere, no, sorry, don't go. Don't go now, Lord.
Dad, are we supposed to wait for Gunnar and his future wife forever? I mean, this is taking too much time.
As in Naya, show your brother some credit. At least be patient enough to meet this young lady he wants to marry.
Finally, so beautiful. For real?
Dad.
Dad, are we supposed to wait for Gunnar and his future wife forever? I mean, this is taking too much time.
As in Naya, show your brother some credit. At least be patient enough to meet this young lady he wants to marry.
Finally, so beautiful. For real?
Wow, Dad. How's in there?
What? Enoch. So, what will you eat?
My friends, I'm not hungry. I already ate something before I came.
What about drinks?
I don't want to drink either.
Why are you finding it difficult to?
My friends, I'm just trying to be careful. Please, give me some time.
Alright, I will. Now listen, my intentions are
My friends, marriage is a long-term commitment. I'm still my mother's daughter.
Alright. Waiter! That's your ugly face. I need a bottle of wine and serve everybody around.
I feel strange around me. Something so strange is bothering my heart. Let the wind blow over my feet. Let the rain wash over my pain. I wanna be free, free, free in my heart. Come on, who's your name? I wanna live a free life. Let me love according to my heart. Happy, I don't know what I feel. I don't know what I
Can you speak? I just want to talk to you. I would love to talk to you.
What do you want? Please leave me alone.
Listen, I've been watching you for a while now, and it seems you're bothered about something that you can share with me.
I'm fine.
You're not. You see, you can lie with your lips, but not with your face. Of course, you know your face is the exact reflection of your heart. So tell me, what is it that's bothering you? Huh? I'm ready to share. By the way,
I already know who you are, my prince.
That's nice, yeah? Okay. Why don't you just come with me? Let me take you to wherever you're going to. Okay?
I feel strange around me. Something so strange is bothering my heart.
Uloma, you have been sitting here since you came back. And I can tell that something is eating you up. What is it?
Mama, I don't want to talk about it.
When we conceive unpleasant thoughts in our hearts, it breaks our spirit and make our soul sick.
Mama, I'm not comfortable with Prince Ezenaya. I have tried to resist him, but each time I try, I still find myself getting drawn to him. It's as if I'm lying to myself.
My daughter, you worry too much. Remember that it is not always in our power to choose what is best for us. So follow your heart.
Mama, I know. I'm just confused.
Ezenaya is a crown prince. It is an honor for you to be chosen among other maidens in Isualoma. The Prince of Isualoma.
Greetings.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine.
Good. Please tell Uloma that her prince is here.
Uloma is not around. She went to visit her friend.
My prince!
Oh, she's back.
Uloma. How are you, Uloma?
I'm fine, my prince. Greetings, my prince.
Greetings. You look gorgeous.
Thank you.
Hope all is well.
All is well. Why do you ask?
Never mind. Uloma, I noticed you are not comfortable with me. Listen, I'm harmless. All I want is just a chance, so I can prove how much I love and care about you.
My prince, everything is happening so fast. I will appreciate if you give me some time to think about it.
I will do that on one condition. Promise you won't disappoint me. Alright, I'm here to take you out. Shall we?
Yes, you can go. You can go with him. I'll take care of the food on the fire.
Mother, you are the best. Once again, thank you very much.
Thank you, my prince.
Why are you so nervous around me? Huh? Have I done anything wrong to you?
I'm just nervous.
Listen, you don't have to be, okay? I want you to be very comfortable with me. Alright? Now, do you know that that's your name? Uloma means very fine house. Huh?
I'm not a house. It actually doesn't mean a fine house. It means a happy home.
Listen, my dear. You don't have to be, okay? I want you to be comfortable with me at all times. Now, do you know that that's your name, Uloma? Actually means fine house. Maybe that's why you're this pretty. Eh?
But I'm not a house. And it actually doesn't mean a house. It means a happy home.
Now that's quite an interesting theory. You sound very intelligent. And I like that.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Huh?
So, where are you taking me to?
Yes. Well, that's actually a secret. Okay?
I've been watching you for some time now, and I can see you're bothered about something.
Yes, Father. Something is bothering me.
Share it with me so that we can come up with a solution.
No, I can handle it.
Well, I am not going to give you another chance or another offer. Tell me what it is now, sir, that is bothering you.
Trust me, Dad. I can handle it.
Alright, I'll be in the throne room.
I love you, baby. I love you, oh, mama, oh, summer, oh, Adoma. I love you from my heart, oh, mama, oh, Adoma, oh. Asana, I love you from my heart. I love you, oh. I love you, oh. Hey, mama, oh, Asana, oh, Adoma. I love you from my heart. Oh, mama, oh, mama, oh, summer. I love you from my heart. I love you, oh. I love you, oh, hey, mama, oh, summer. Oh, Adoma, I love you from my heart. Oh, mama, oh, Adoma, oh, summer, I love you from my heart. So many times I felt like giving up, but your love is on my mind. I can't replace it. Upama kije love, ije love. Upama kije love the more. Love from my heart. I can't replace you. I love you from my heart. Can't deny you, cause I love you from my heart. Can't reject you, cause I love you from my heart.
Don't tell me you're falling for this one now, because he bought you few things. Eh? Uloma, you're playing with fire.
I'm not. He loves and appreciates me.
But the first prince was the first person to show interest in you. Why not concentrate on him and don't encourage his brother?
It's not me. Remember I told you that there was this feeling I used to have whenever I'm with Izzy and Naya. But with Ugo and Naya, it's different. When I'm with him, I feel like floating in the sky, dwelling amongst the stars and sparkling like them. He makes me laugh till tears fill my eyes.
Uloma, see, this is not enough reason for you to know if he truly loves you.
But he does. I know, I can feel it. Besides, it's my life. I can choose whosoever my heart desires.
Okay. Hey.
Don't say I didn't warn you. Because when it will start happening. Okay. Come, let me go and show you some of the things he bought for me.
Hello. Singer. Do you both know each other?
Have you lost your sense of respect? How dare you touch what's mine?
Touch what's yours? How do you mean?
Billionaire, you backstabbed me. You backstabbed me. Have you forgotten that backbiters are always at the back?
What are you talking about? Listen now, what are you talking about? Backstabbing you, how? Say it.
Dad.
Uloma, I warned you about this, but you wouldn't listen. He didn't propose to me. He never made his intentions known to me. Even if he did, I was never going to accept it. Men do not need to make their intentions known. And you are the one that encouraged him all this while.
No! He said he was just a friend.
Uloma. Uloma.
Loma, a date is a date. He must have thought that you've accepted him already.
No. You know what? I'm not doing this anymore. I don't want to be a part of this any longer.
Best friend, you cannot just back out like that. You can't. You're way deep into it now. Stop crying.
Something so strange is bothering my heart. Like the wind blowing my feet. Let the
Mama, hold on. Are you alright? You have been like this for some time now.
Mama, I'm not fine. I've been thinking and I've been very restless.
Then make yourself busy.
Mama, I did not say idle. I said restless. My soul is troubled. I just can't find peace.
Can't find peace? Has it anything to do with the place of Isu and Mama? My daughter, you are still very young. You should not be in a haste to make decisions about your life. If you need help, tell me. I am your mother. Inugo?
Thank you, Mama. Mama, please help me with salt.
Isn't you're my brother, and we could talk this through. How could I have known that you and Uloma had something going? Come on, let's not allow this come between us.
I've heard you. A woman is not supposed to come in between two brothers.
Now you're talking. You're very right, you know. You're very right.
But you should have respected the fact that I love Uloma. I'm happy that we have come to an agreement. So get yourself another girl.
Come on, bro. I thought we'll just reach agreement now. Huh? For Christ's sake, that girl is now part of my everyday existence. I can't let her go.
Do you realize you are disobeying your brother, blood brother, because of a woman? Listen, I love Uloma. And I will make a man who fully joke to me. Whatever I want, I get. If you don't leave that girl, that means your life is in danger.
Greetings, Dad. How are you? Dad, I'm not fine. Eisenhower has refused to see Wilsons with me. How do you mean? I have been pleading with him. Dad, I love Uloma. She is the woman my heart desires. But your brother met her first. Dad, I made my intentions clear. I brought her home first. Why do you treat me this way, Dad? You seem to be more attached to Izenaya than you are to me. And anytime I come close, both of you will seize any conversation you're having at that moment, which makes me feel so
Enough! I said enough. You are entitled to your thoughts. I love both of you as my sons. After all, it's my blood that is flowing through your veins. Billionaire, make peace with your brother. That is all I can say to you now. And it is a fatherly advice. Now leave my presence. I say leave my presence.
You shall see. Isn't there? I'm not stupid. You will not blame me for being a loser. Listen, you have to be very, very careful. I can cut off your head and hang it. You will have to wait 1,000 years for that. Mind you, you were not the king yet. And I will not allow myself to be bullied by you. Did you just refer to me as a bully? Me, Ezenaya, Jokunuka Taku, a bully. Ezenaya, only when I kill you as a bully. I can see your fairy tale has gotten into your brain, but trust me, I will cut it off. I will bab you. I will bab you. You see, only your son. I will bab you. I've respected you. I will bab you. I have respected you enough. That's what we told you. Don't you respect for everything? Don't you? Are you sick? How dare you? I said that I've respected you enough. We're going there. Dad. Ugonnaya, you have beaten more than you can chew. I swear I will bab you. I'm not my size, but content. Animal. Oh yeah? Nonsense. Will you shut up? Just keep quiet. Ugonnaya! I am disappointed in you. How could you behave like a child in kindergarten, disrupting my meeting in the palace? I'm sorry, Dad. But Ugonnaya was not remorseful for what he did. Words are not wisdom, because no amount of words can bring down your foes. Dad, you know I don't have time. And Mama is already with Ugonna. You need to fight harder if you want her. And if you want to take after me, you have to stop whimpering like a woman and be strong like a man. What do you suggest? Ask yourself. Your Majesty, this has never happened in this brotherhood. We are extraordinary gentlemen. We cannot look for change. Feel our sacrifice.
The great Karuda, on behalf of my son, I beg for more time.
Rescue. That is not acceptable here. Aziki is not just a god of wealth and power, but one whose wrath lives like wildfire.
I still wish for more time for my son to redeem the image of the royal family.
3 days. I give you 3 days. If your son fails to fulfill his promise, you will bear it.
This sauce is so sweet. Mom must have cut her fingers into this meal.
Nkechi, I'm in a dilemma right now. I've not heard from Prince Ogo. I can't imagine the trouble brewing in that palace right now.
How will you imagine? When you are the person who caused everything.
Why are you sounding like this? Instead of offering me a solution, you're worsening everything. Do you want me to die of heartbreak?
Don't even go there. Don't. I warned you. I warned you about this. Yet, you didn't listen.
What do we do now? What do we do? What do we do?
Come with me. Let me keep this food. I'll eat it later. Just hold it.
Yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah, it's a love more. Yeah, oh, yeah, oh, it's a love more. It's a love more.
What are we doing here? This is the palace.
We are here to find out what is happening.
Not like this now. This is like going into the lion's den.
But we are not yet in the den. We will have to stay here and knock. And if anyone comes out, we ask him.
This is not good though. Believe me, let us go. Nkechi, let's go.
Oh Loma. How do we find out what is happening if we don't come here?
I'll take care of this.
Who's that? Who's that?
I heard somebody knocking on.
My prince! My prince, what have I done to you?
Shut up. Shut up. Where is your daughter? I hate repeating myself. Where is your daughter?
My prince, please don't hurt me. I promise to somehow that you can.
Save me the Tom and Jerry story. For the very last time, where is your daughter?
Please, please.
You feel like I'm joking, right?
Let's take her to the hospital.
No. Look for Duke. She.
They might come back. Let's sleep. Come here.
Is everything alright?
Well, Emeka, I will explain to you later. You see, I want all of my hair to stay with you until I figure out what to do next.
There's no problem.
Okay.
Uncle, are you sure about this? Maybe I should go to Nkechi's place. From there I can find how to trace my sister.
You see, Roma, I want you to trust my judgment on this one, okay? Your friend's place is the first place to look for you. Alright? So just stay here. Alright?
My princess, is everything alright?
Like I said, I will talk about this later. Alright? I'll see you tomorrow morning.
Many things are happening, mysterious things, strange things are happening.
Are you sure you searched everywhere? Yes, Your Highness. We actually inquired about their farmlands and where she could possibly be. I am not convinced deep down that you've searched everywhere. What about her friends? She may be hiding at a friend's place. Search everywhere. When I say everywhere, I mean everywhere. In fact, keep few men at the boundaries of this kingdom. If anyone sees her, person should bring her to me.
Yes, Your Highness.
Even I, on my brother, I don't trust him.
Who are you?
Where is Unoma? Are you deaf? Where is Ulama?
I don't know where she is. She's not with me.
Don't waste my time. For the very last time, where is Ulama?
Why are you asking me about Uloma? Is she a baby that I will have to keep her in my house?
I can see you are stubborn. I hate repeating myself. Where is Ulama? I am Princess Nigerian. Before you go look at me to pick, no one cares.
Uloma, you already hurt yourself crying. Huh? Put yourself together. Very soon, you will be tired of searching for you. Huh?
Why will you kill my mother? Just because I accepted your proposal. Why?
Well, I'm confused as well. Growing up with him, I've always known him as a very selfish person. Don't worry. You just have to lay low for now, until I find out why he wants to hurt you.
For how long? For how long will I continue to fight?
Uloma, just give me time. Okay? Just give me time. Anything you need, you talk to Emeka. He will always get back to me.
Forever you and I don't replace you. No matter who comes my way, your love is all I need.
My mother, I think she deserves a proper funeral.
Uloma, don't worry yourself. Okay? I'll see to that when all this are over. Okay? For now we just have to lay low. Alright, come on. Stop crying now. Well, she insists you never made your intentions clear to her. So I don't get. Why are you trying to hurt that poor girl? Why?
And who told you I'm trying to hurt the poor girl? No, I'm not trying to hurt her. I just want to know what you told her that made her leave me. The first prince.
Uloma is a decent girl. Humble and simple. Now, not every woman will put up with your bossy and arrogant attitude.
Enough! Watch what you say, especially when you're talking to me.
Well, I saw you kill that poor girl's mother.
Can you prove what you just said? No. You have no evidence.
Don't be too sure. But isn't there? Read my lips. If anything happens to that girl, I will never forgive you. You will have me to contend with.
Is that a threat?
Well, you can call it whatever.
Don't forget you are talking to Ezenaya. Ofonye Joku Loka.
Nice rhymes. But Ezenaya, do not say I did not warn you.
I've been waiting for you for long. I will get you. One or two things now. One or two things.
Mama, I bet you want for me.
Make it true. You're going to be arranged. You're going to pay for 2 plates. I've been waiting for you since.
I heard a gossip.
Gossip?
Yes.
Don't tell me you have started gossiping.
No, now. I heard that Uroma is missing. That there is a reward for anybody that knows her whereabouts.
Which Uroma are you talking about?
The one you know now.
Ogade's daughter.
Yes. I even want to go and search for her. Because I need that money to solve my problems.
What money?
The money now. The reward.
Who is offering the reward?
Prince now. Prince Ezenaya. Yes.
Are you sure about this information?
I'm very, very sure. I'm very, very sure. I'm very, very sure.
Okay. No problem. Let's thank you.
You sent for me.
Wasironye Eluwa Wasironye Wasironye Eluwa Wasironye Ijuwa
Emeka, it was nice doing business with you. Thank you. Surprised, right? Why are you running away from your future husband?
He killed my mother.
I'm sure my lousy bleached brother said that to you.
No, I saw you do it. You're very heartless. You killed an innocent woman who received you like her own son.
Nonsense. Arrant nonsense. I gave you my love and you rejected it. No one, I repeat, no one does that to me, Princess Zenaya. No one does that to me.
I will never marry you.
Who told you I am interested in marrying you? No, darling. I have a surprise for you. Move her.
No! No!
Move her!
Wazuronye Eluwa Wazuronye Wazuronye Eluwa Wazuronye. Many things are happening, mysterious things, strange things are happening. Onye mechi wanna see life I say, but I'm curious now. I want to know, but yet it gets so deep. Now, Makaniye chigaro, amaimo. Obimo, ejimo obimaka. Makaniye chigaro, amaimo. Wazuronye, Eluwa, wazuronye. Wazuronye, Eluwa, wazuronye.
Yes. But I came back and I didn't find her. What have you done with her? You sold out. Listen. I came back. I was not around. And when I came back, my door was broken. And she's nowhere to find. I don't know whether she escaped or was taken. Huh? Why? Your mom will never escape. When did you discover this? Last night. By the time I came back, I found out my door was broken. She was nowhere to be found. Emeka, God help you. Because if I discover you are lying to me,
I will skin you alive.
My prince.
Alright then. I want to tell you right now. Where is she? Have you been drinking? How dare you raise your voice at us? Listen here. Tell me this moment. Where did you hide my fiancée? Before I do something stupid. In case you don't know, I don't fight, I cheat. Listen here. How dare you hit your brother in that manner?
You are not to stand before my presence until you perform the cleansing. Attacking the first prince, the heir to the throne of this kingdom, is an abomination. Now leave my presence. I said leave my presence!
No, no.
Somebody help me! Somebody help me, please! What do you want from me? Please let me go. Please. Please.
No matter how hard you scream, nobody will hear you. And when you don't cry, you take your food.
I'm not hungry. I feel strange around me. Something strange is bothering my heart. Let the wind blow over my feet. Let the rain wash over my pain. I wanna be free.
Azigi is ready to receive your sacrifice, my son.
Okay, Karuda. Are you mad? Where is she? You what?
Come on, man. I can't continue anymore. Listen, I have to get you this. Okay? Let's go.
I'm tired. I cannot continue anymore. I'm tired.
First and foremost, this place is not safe. And secondly, if my brother should find out that you're gone, he will not rest. So let's continue.
I can't move my feet anymore. I'm tired.
Okay, you know what? Okay, come here. Okay? I want you to stay here. Stay here.
Hey, please. Rest around.
There are none. Let's stay here, okay? Let me go back there and be sure nobody comes there. Alright? Okay. I'll be back. For now, I think we're safe.
Oh, I wasn't expecting you to come to my rescue. How did you find out?
You see, my brother thought he alone had the trust of the palace staff.
Prince Billionaire wants that girl to be properly fed tonight and make sure she stays alive. We are moving with her tonight.
So what should I do?
Make sure you remove any object that she might use to kill herself. And you know what that sacrifice means to the prince and the king.
Very well. I'll get it done.
Now, are you sure about what you're saying?
Yes, Your Majesty. I did not understand what they meant until I followed them. I was shocked on what I heard and saw.
Well, thank you very much for this. I will never forget it. I'll make sure nobody knows about what you've learned.
Yes, Your Majesty.
We may go now. What sacrifice is everybody talking about?